Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a DICOM dataset that was acquired Feet-First Supine or FFS and convert it to Head-First Supine HFS just by editing a few DICOM tags. This is part 1 of my series on preparing scans for concatenation. There are a few main DICOM tags we are going to modify in this process. Here is an example dataset that was scanned Feet-First Supine. As we scroll through, we see the inferior aspect of the anatomy, then go through the superior aspect of the anatomy. And the first tag we will be looking at is the patient position. In this case, it is FFS, and we are going to change it to HFS for standardization. However, this is just a text tag, and by that alone is not the sole ground truth of patient positioning. The second tag we are going to look at is 00200013 image number. This is a simple index that many viewers use to order slices. If it's numbered backwards, scrolling looks wrong even if the geometry is correct. So we are going to renumber it so it increases in the true body direction. And the third tag we are going to look at is 00201041 slice location. This is also an optional viewer-friendly position field. Some apps sort by it. We rewrite it so that it matches the physical ordering of slices, consistent with the geometry. There are two other tags that are very important to understand, but we don't modify them here. The first one is 00200037 image orientation. This gives the row and column directions of the image. From this, you can calculate the slice normal, which points along the superior-inferior axis. This tells us the orientation of the stack, but it does not by itself say head first or feet first. For example, if it's a prone orientation, this string will change. And lastly, image position 00200032. And as you can see, this one gives us the XYZ location of the image. But most viewers do not use it to sort images, so we are not changing it in today's demo. So here is the code that changes 3 DICOM tags in our example. The first is the text label. (00185100), we are changing it to Head-First Supine. And the other one is the image number. And lastly, the image, the slice location. So here, after it rewrite, we are going to save everything to this Head-First Supine reorient folder. And we will use ImageJ to view them. So now let's run it. And it's already done. So now let's use our ImageJ to import the image sequence. I originally load the Feet-First Supine dataset, and now let's load the reorient dataset. It keeps the same number of slices, and as you can see, the folder is now written all the images, the reoriented images. And let's verify with the viewer. So now, as you can see, we are seeing the superior aspect of the anatomy first, and as we scroll through, it sees the inferior aspect of the anatomy, which is in the opposite direction of our Feet-First Supine original dataset. So here we scroll from feet first, and after reorient, we scroll from head first. And additionally, let's also view the DICOM tags in the reorient dataset. We can open one image and look at its DICOM tag. So in this case, let's look at 008 5100. Now it changes to Feet-First Supine. And this also rewrite our slice location as well as the image number. So it orders from the superior aspect of the anatomy to the inferior aspect of the anatomy. So to summarize, in today's demo, we changed 3 tags: patient position, image number, and slice location. That's all you need to reorient a Feet-First Supine scan into Head-First Supine without touching pixel data. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. Thanks for watching.